Hey guys, Phantom Sets on ACT here with another video taking another toy review of the Ultra Monster Series Genegarg, I think. Anyways, before we take a look at this figure, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new Ultraman videos that are coming on the way. Now anyways guys, before we take a look at this figure, let's take a look at the tag he came with. Now here is the tag he came with. That's a nice image there of Genegarg based on his appearance from Ultraman Z. Ultra Monster Series Ultraman logo, figure number 122, Genegarg in Japanese, and more stuff in Japanese that I cannot read. And on the middle there's nothing. More stuff in Japanese that I cannot read. And yeah. That's the tag. Now here is the figure. Let's take a look at the figure up close. Let me just put down the camera because this figure is way small. Now let's take a look at this figure really up close. Nice detailing for the head overall. Look at the eyeball. Nice silver there for the horn, white for the eyes, and they did a really nice job painting the black on the eye. Nice detailing on the body and the skin. Some red bits here and there. I think it's red or orange. I don't know. I'm not sure to be honest. Kind of looks like rotten flesh or scratched flesh. Nice detailing on the tail. Nice detailing on the leg as well. And white or bluish white for the bottom. So yeah. And here's the bottom. Here's the top, and as you can see, all the nice detailing just makes this figure look really nice, at least, and worth the money. And paint job, I mean, it's decently good, not 100% perfect, but I would do would like some red or orange paint on the missing scars or scratches. I'm not sure what they are, or maybe light blue for the fin, because that's how Genegarg flies. So yeah. Articulation wise, the arms can do a full 360. Would you look at that? They can do a full 360. And same goes the other arm. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, my only criticism for this figure is that I wish it has head articulation so you can like turn the head, because that will really fit the character. So yeah, that's it for detailing. Now let's do some size comparisons really quick. Just move the camera. Here he is next to Ultraman Z. Hang on. See, that's my only criticism with this figure. I wish it was kind of bigger, because this size is not the size we saw in Ultraman Z. I mean, I wish this was a DX figure. I would wish this figure would be like this big. this big, but unfortunately he's way small. So yeah, I'm expecting a knockoff company to make a upscaled version of this toy. I mean, hell, I even saw the upscaled version of that Trigger monster from Ultraman Tiger the movie. And even the people in Japan, I saw a Japanese tweet that said, "I wish Bandai could do something like this." Isn't that really sad? Yeah, kind of sad. So, yeah, I know it's a children's toy, but can you at least make them the size that what we saw in the series? Because kids can like find a difference. Like they could see, wait, what the heck? Why is his head so small? That's not the size we saw. His head was somewhere around here. Because that's how Ultraman Z constantly kicks and hits him again. So yeah, that's Ultraman Z. Here he is with the figure I reviewed quite recently, actually. Terranoid. There he is next to Terranoid. Here he is next to Ultroid Zero, since he's another monster. Here he is next to Goriza. Here he is next to Destrotos. Here he is next to Naranga. Here he is next to Wyndham. And lastly, here he is next to Sevenger. Ah, they look cute together. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's the size comparisons. Now I can't find Bolton, I don't know, the shell monster thing. Can't find him, and I have no time, to be honest. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. What do I think about this figure overall? Overall, this figure is decent for the most part. My only huge criticism I have with this figure overall is the overall size of this figure. He's really small. I wish he was kind of big, or maybe DX scale to some degree. But yeah, it's sad that he's really so small. I mean, like hell, like, hang on, let me look for a small figure. Even he is small as, literally, he is small as, Figma smaller scale figures. Literally, that's how small he is. Oh shit, she has some dust in her hair. Sorry, Tyler. So yeah, he is as small as a Figma smaller scale figure. That's really uncommon. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. All that will be linked down below. And yeah, guys, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.